In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off reminders in Basecamp. If you've been getting more pings and nudges than you'd like, or you simply prefer to check your tasks on your own schedule, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to switch off without missing anything important. First, once you're in Basecamp, head to the top right corner of the screen and click your avatar, the small profile picture. That opens your personal menu, which is where Basecamp keeps all your account and preference controls. If you're using a compact browser window or a smaller display, the avatar might be tiny, but it will still sit up in that top right spot. Next, choose the option labeled Change Your Notification Settings. This takes you to a dedicated page for how and when Basecamp communicates with you. Think of it as your control center for noise versus signal. You'll see preferences that cover emails, mobile push alerts, and other notification behaviors, all designed to help you tailor what reaches you and when. Now, look for the section called Reminders. This is the part we're focusing on. In Reminders, you'll find switches to control reminders for events, assignments, or both. Events typically refer to things like scheduled meetings, milestones, and dates on the calendar. Assignments are your to-dos and tasks, anything that's been assigned to you with a due date or expectation. If you want to turn off reminders entirely, toggle off both options. If you only want to stop event nudges but keep task reminders, or vice versa, just switch off the one you don't want and leave the other on. Basecamp usually applies these changes right away, so there's no extra save step to worry about. A quick note on what turning these off means in practice. You'll no longer get reminder prompts for the categories you disable, whether that's through email or push notifications, depending on how you typically receive them. You can still see all your events and assignments inside Basecamp at any time. You're simply pausing the nudges. If you find you miss a heads up here and there, you can come back to the same reminders section later and turn them back on with a single click. That's all there is to it. Click your avatar, open your notification settings, and adjust the reminders section to match how you like to work. Keep your focus where it matters, and check in on your projects on your own terms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tune Basecamp to your ideal level of quiet.